Ready? Start. Writ petition was also filed initially by BCCI and its erstwhile assignee for striking down Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 insofar as it relates to cricket test matches and also striking down the notification issued by the central government notifying DD1 channel and DD channel as mandatory channels to be carried compulsorily by the cable operators. In the same writ petition, the notifications notifying the supporting events mentioned therein in respect of cricket to be of national importance were also challenged. Also challenged is the order of the Government of India by which clause 7.9 was added to the license agreement of DTH services. Clause 7.9 is in the following terms. The license shall carry or include in his DTH services the TV channels which have been notified for mandatory and compulsory carriage as per the provisions of Section 8 of the Cable Television Network Act 1995 as amended, failing which the licensor shall be at liberty to take action as per clause 20.1 of this agreement. Subsequently, ESPN Software India Private Limited and Star India Private Limited had been pleaded as petitioner numbers 3 and 4 in the aforesaid writ petitions in view of media rights agreement as referred to above. The aforesaid appeal and writ petition were allowed by the division bench by holding that on an interpretation of the provisions of Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 and Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995, the signals received by Prasar Bharati from the respondents should not be placed in the designated Doordarshan channels which are to be compulsorily carried by the cable operators under Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995. Aggrieved, the present appeals have been filed by the Union of India, Prasar Bharati, Home Cable Network Private Limited and Sopan Foundation. We have heard learned Attorney General appearing for the Union of India and Prasar Bharati and learned senior counsels appearing for Star India Private Limited, learned senior counsel appearing for Home Cable Network Private Limited and Sopan Foundation, learned senior counsel appearing for the BCCI. At the outset, it would be appropriate to refer to and wherever the relevant statutory provisions as such. Under Section 3 of the Prasar Bharati Act 1990, Prasar Bharati has been established as a corporation to discharge the functions of erstwhile Akashvani and Doordarshan. Under Section 12 of the Prasar Bharati Act, the primary duty of the corporation is to organize and conduct public broadcasting services to inform, educate and entertain the public and to ensure a balanced development of broadcasting on radio and television. Section 12 of the Prasar Bharati Act 1990 clearly stipulates that Prasar Bharati shall inter alia be guided by the objective of providing adequate coverage to sports and games so as to encourage healthy competition and the spirit of sportsmanship. It therefore appears that one of the main objectives behind the incorporation of Prasar Bharati is to provide an adequate coverage to sports and games for the purpose already noticed. Specific notice would be required to be taken in the light of the contentions advanced, which will be noticed later, of the provisions contained in section 12 of the Prasar Bharati 1990, which enables the Prasar Bharati to negotiate for purchase of or otherwise acquire programs and rights or privileges in respect of sports and other events, films, serials, occasions, meetings, functions, or incidents of public interest for broadcasting, and to establish procedures for the allocation of such programs, rights, or privileges to the services. We may now turn to the provisions of the Cable Act 1995. The object of the Cable Act 1995, as indicated in the preamble, is to regulate the operation of cable television networks in the country and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Section 3 of the Cable Act 1995 stipulates the necessity of registration as a cable operator in order to operate a cable television network. Section 2 defines cable operator in the following terms. 2. Cable operator means any person who provides cable service through a cable television network or otherwise controls or is responsible for the management and operation of a cable television network and fulfills the prescribed eligibility criteria, and Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995 permits the central government to specify the names of Doordarshan channels or the channels operated by or on behalf of the Parliament which are required to be mandatorily carried by the cable operators. As already noticed by notification, DD1 channel and DD channel and one regional channel have been notified as mandatorily required to be carried by the cable operators. There are certain subsequent notifications issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, under Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995, the one subsisting now. Stop.